A pre-owned 2016 GMC Acadia SLT-1. 2016 GMC Acadia SLT-1 Family Comfort V6 Power, ready for every adventure. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 116,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. The 2016 GMC Acadia SLT-1 is a family-friendly SUV powered by a 3.6L V6 engine producing 281 horsepower and 266 left of torque, giving you the performance you need for daily driving or weekend adventures. Inside, you'll enjoy leather-appointed seating, tri-zone automatic climate control, navigation, an 8-way power driver's seat, remote start, and a rear-view camera for added comfort and convenience. With seating for the whole family and plenty of cargo space, it's built for road trips, errands, and everything in between. Fuel economy is rated at 15 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway. This Acadia is in excellent overall condition, has a clean Carfax with no accident history, and has had only one previous owner. If you're looking for a spacious, well-equipped, and dependable SUV, this 2016 GMC Acadia SLT-1 is ready for its next adventure with you. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.